sweethearts, it's Anna Couture. Nice to see you again. I hope you've been happy lately. So in this video, I'm going to show you something a little different than I've shared with YouTube before. So usually I do like fashion and beauty videos. In today's video, I am going to share with you this DIY mosaic staircase that I made. Just a disclaimer, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my artistic process with you. And it's not neat and tidy and like kind of clean cut like most of my other videos in the past have been. It's definitely chaotic. It's definitely like not put together. And I will say, I painted this staircase a total of 9 times to decide on a color for the stairs. That being said, I really hope you enjoy this video. I am trying something different, so we'll see how this goes. This is the final product. This is my mosaic tile staircase. I am really excited to share this process with you, despite the chaos. So I really hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's take a look into the mess that is the creative process. Okay guys, this is my art studio. I'm not even gonna apologize for the mess. It's the art studio. Also, I just like cleaned for 20 minutes. It's usually way worse. It's just a quick tour. So here's my photo, area, studio, whatever you may call it. It has a chalk wall. So right now I have a mural up from a photo shoot I recently did. Photo props all along that wall. Big mirror equipped with all my tools at the base of it. I don't know why that's where I keep them. I just don't really have anywhere better right now. Wardrobe with some of my photography costumes in it. I make mystery boxes, so here's my mystery box, like I have a bunch to ship. Inventory and like creating station, my paint drying rack, my oil painting set, this table that I use for oil painting. This is my like little cart that I use for like bigger painting projects, all of my like house paints that I use for bigger projects. Second easel and desk with these 2 chairs I made, and then over there's like a laundry room and some stuff, but it's full of mess right now. So now we're gonna come to the stairs, which is where this project is gonna be. I'm going to be doing a marble backdrop on my stairs, which is going to require a couple things. So first, it's gonna require these marble tiles I got off of the free page in my neighborhood. So you know how you see the backing of the stairs have like tile on them sometimes. I'm going to be doing that. So the first problem is these stairs don't have a backing. So I cut a bunch of wood, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up, probably prop it up more than that, screw it on there, and then take the grout I have and put it on there, and then stick the tile to it. So I did already start this project a little bit. These stairs were white with these like black mats. I ripped the mats off and I painted the stairs that would be showing black. Now, I have since come to I've come to realize a couple things. These tiles, I don't know if you can see, are not like stark white. They're not white. So I do feel as if I put them, up against the black, they're gonna get washed out a little bit, and it's not gonna look like, I don't know, it's just not the look I was going for. I was going for black stairs and white marble. I didn't realize the marble wasn't white. Secondly, this oil-based paint is not made for stairs, apparently. Because if you can see, like, there's, like, I've had them painted like this for a day, And they are just attracting everything and like not having a great time. So I am going to switch the color. Now the only thing is I have to decide what I'm going to switch the color to based on the options I have at hand. Okay, I swept the steps off. We have our paint and our roller brush. And now for the moment of truth where we see how well this gray, this kind of paste gray color is gonna cover this black. I'm very nervous that I'm gonna be here all night, or I'm gonna have to just do a coat of white or something. Oh, what? What is this made out of? Look how well that gray is just covering. It's completely demolishing all that black. Also, don't ask me why I have a landline here. It doesn't work. I get scared sometimes in the middle of the night that it's gonna just start ringing. Never has though. Almost looks white in this lighting, but we'll see how it dries. And then I think, so I think next to this, that, I think that'll look good. And if not, I can just repaint the stairs a different color. I'll see you on the other side when I am finished painting. Yay! So I painted the stairs the like pasty gray, and I mean it doesn't look bad, but as I'm looking at it next to the tile, I feel like it makes the tile look a little bit washed out. Okay, so while I was waiting for the paint on the stairs to dry so I could paint them a different color, I read the Mosaic and Glass tile mortar bag, and it said, like, don't put it on, like, wood. Don't put it on something that can warp. So it was like, oh, shoot, like, what am I going to do? But then I saw that it had this polymer additive that you could add if you wanted to put it on, like, some sort of wood or something. So I started to do a little Google research, and it turns out you just need, like, if you want to put it on straight wood, you need latex primer. And I, for some reason, have this, like, huge bucket of latex primer. The internet said that all I have to do is put the latex primer sealer on. I'll probably do 2 coats, and then I'm good to drill them into the stairs, but and start laying tile on them. I'm deciding to go with the blue, because the pink, I think will look a little washed up and stuff. I think the blue will look really, really good. Anyways, okay, so painting these with primer, painting the stairs, painting these with primer probably again, and then we're ready to go with our tiles. Yay! Alright, stairs are painted this really pretty blue. I'm actually loving it. And the backing is in place. I am going to go put the final one all the way up at the very top. So yeah, let's get her done. So I have lots of crushed tile, lots of the marble, and I found some broken mirror shards. I collect them because on average I break like 5 mirrors a year. So yeah, I'm ready to get started. Quart is 4 cups of water, and then it's 0.5 to 0.7, so I put in, I'll put in 6.5 cups. Seems solid. Alexa, set a 3-minute timer. So let's get started. I'm like so nervous, but also excited. I'm worried about it like sticking well to the wood, but the primer is supposed to like fix that. Like the primer is supposed to like make it so it sticks. Like I read online that, I don't know, someone on a forum told me that if you just use the primer, the latex primer, you'll be fine. So I'm sure this man on the forum is super credible and definitely has a degree in home improvement. So here is me laying tile, putting down the grout. If you notice, I am actually using a paint can opener. I thought the bag of grout included a trowel. I don't know why I thought that. It did not. It did, however, include a photo of a trowel on it. So, looking back, I think I could have made the grout on this a little thicker because I see myself adding in a lot of grout places. However, it has been 3 days, and this is the bottom stair. And it's been jumped on and kicked at and painted a bunch, and nothing has fallen off of it so far. So I think I did a pretty solid job. I just thought that this little speed up was really satisfying. So yeah. So the first like row of mosaic is done. I don't know how. It doesn't look very good on this camera, but also this camera has terrible LCD screen. I like it so far. I think it's really fun and like it's different, you know. I might change the color of the stairs again. Okay, I'm 3 steps in. I still have a lot of plaster left, which like I think I have to go until I'm out. Because I don't think it saves. But it's turning out pretty cool, I feel like. I don't like the blue. The blue's gonna have to go, which is honestly fine that I'm not super attached to it because it's getting ruined by the plaster. But here's what it looks like so far. I can't tell if it's like Mod Podge of junk or like really cool looking. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if it's Mod Podge of junk or really cool looking. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have 8 steps out of 12 completed. I did run out of grout, so I need to go get more. I don't feel like going to the store today. I'm finishing this project though, so that'll be later. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like up close. It has the church tiles, the mirror shards, and the marble tiles in it. I really like the mosaic. Honestly, I had someone come in my basement to buy something because I saw it on Marketplace, and they complimented it right away. And I was like, oh, it's not even finished. I was nervous about how it would turn out, honestly. Because, like, mosaics are so abstract that, like, you could be getting anything. One thing I will say, after hours, of painting, and after, you know, trying to figure out, oh my gosh, what's the best paint color for this? Like, I don't like this, I don't like that. And being really picky and asking my friends and like doing swatches. I thought this blue was gonna be it, and I hate it. So it looks like a beach. Like it looks like it gives me major beach vibes, which is a bummer because it's a pretty blue, but so I'm not sure what color I'm gonna paint over it. We'll see about that one. The finished product should be here soon. In video time, it'll be about 10 seconds. In real life time, it might be a week before I get up muster the strength to go to Lowe's to get grout again. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. So it is finished. not the paint, obviously. So it looks really fun and pretty. So I did all the mosaics. There were 12 to do. And honestly, after doing 12 mosaics, you know how sometimes you get to the end of like an art project and you're like, oh my god, like, hope I never have to do that again. Even after doing, 12 individual kind of mini mosaics, I still was like having a good time. I was like, oh, I already like really finished. So, here's the stairs, just kind of roughly the backings. All the way up here is dark. So here is my dilemma. If you noticed, that staircase is still bright blue. And I loved the blue initially, I really did. But now it just doesn't match. Like, it looks like I'm at the beach. That's not my vibe. That's never been my vibe. Okay, sweethearts, are you ready to see this staircase? You probably are. You've probably seen enough of me messing around with paint and tile and everything, but I am so happy with how it turned out. So let me show you. Okay, y'all. She truly has arrived. So to pick this color, my friend Benji went to Lowe's with me and stood in the paint aisle for like probably longer than I want to admit, and helped me pick this really pretty kind of dusty pink color. So here's just a pretty tile close-up. I think it turned out really good, and like I'm happy with it. It's fun, it's quirky, it's not like a total disaster. This could have been really like weird and ugly. And maybe to some people it is weird and ugly, but to me, I really love my new like staircase. So anyways, that's it. That's the whole story of how I created this. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It was great to see you again, sweethearts, and I plan on putting out more creative content in the future. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, YouTube!